Did you know you can boost your metabolism by up to 30% just by eating the right food? Forget about your diet and expensive supplements. Today, I'm sharing you 12 powerful metabolism boosting food you will find right in your kitchen. Plus, easy meal prep ideas to help you lose weight faster naturally. Welcome back to my channel, Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm Likita, and if you are new here, I make healthy cooking simple, tasty, and funny. Today, video is for someone who wants to burn more calories, speed to weight loss, and feel energetic all the day. We will cover the science behind metabolism and how to use this 12 food in your weekly meal prep. So, let's get started. Metabolism. Everybody talks about metabolism. So, what is metabolism all about? Metabolism is how fast your body burns calorie even when you are just sitting. Faster metabolism means more calories burned and easier weight loss. Contain foods that actually increase your metabolic rate for thanks to the thermic effect of the food. Let's use this to our advantage with flavorful cooking. Well, let's discover 12 everyday ingredients that can supercharge your calorie burn and support your weight loss journey naturally. Many of these are probably already in your pantry. Let's start with our superstar green tea. EGCG and caffeine content in the green tea give you 4 to 5% metabolic lift. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups daily, or you can make a refreshing green tea ice cubes. Chili peppers. Capsaicin in chili ignites the calorie burning. Spice up your dal, sabjis, and chutneys and increase your metabolic rate. Ginger boosts metabolic rate and curbs your appetite. Brew ginger tea or grate it into your curries or sabjis to increase your metabolism. Turmeric helps burn fat and reduces inflammation. A golden touch for dal or comforting turmeric milk. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and enhances metabolism. Sprinkle in oats in tea or blend into smoothies. Coconut oil increases metabolism and target belly fat. Perfect for tadkas or adding to your smoothies. Protein powder, foods like paneer, dal, egg, chicken make your body burn 30% of their calories just to diet. Include pre-cooked dal, boiled eggs, or marinated paneer in your daily meals. Quinoa, brown rice, millets, and oats, all these whole grains require more energy to digest than the refined grains. For quinoa pulao, oats upma, or millet roti, and make your metabolism at a higher speed, making your food more delicious and exciting. Rounding out our list with these crucial ingredients that support overall metabolic health and weight management. Spinach, methi are rich in iron, vital for healthy metabolism. Enjoy this leafy green in palak dal, methi paratas, or power-packed smoothies. Apple cider vinegar helps to reduce fat storage and gives a mild metabolic kick. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons in water before meals every day. Caffeine in coffee stimulates metabolism. Enjoy black coffee with a pinch of cinnamon for an extra boost. Drinking cold water makes your body burn calories to warm it up. Start your day with 2 glasses after walking or any of your exercise and before meals. Let's kickstart making this healthy eating effortlessly with the smart Sunday preps. These ideas ensure you have delicious metabolism boosting meal already throughout the week. Grains and proteins. Cook quinoa, brown rice and mixed dal, boiled eggs and marinated paneer with turmeric and ginger, and you will have a full energetic meal for the day. Blunt or puree of spinach, chopped methis, prepare ginger garlic paste cubes, create your metabolism boosting spice mix up. With these veggies and spices, you will increase your metabolism naturally and healthily. To add an additional touch, whip up a fresh green chutney with mint, coriander, ginger, and chilies for added flavors and benefits. And you can spice up, make your food delicious, exciting without having a bored routine. Well, here is how you can combine your prepped foods into a week of delicious, metabolism friendly meals. Flexibility is your key. Day 1, let's start with a green tea and oats with cinnamon and nuts as your breakfast. For your mid morning, have apple cider vinegar water plus almonds. For your lunch, you can prepare quinoa pulao with veg and paneer. And for your evening cravings, you can have ginger tea along with boiled eggs and chutney. And you can wrap up the day with palak dal, brown rice, and cucumber salad as your dinner. Day 2, you can have a turmeric latte or veg poha along with a pepper chilies as your breakfast. For your mid morning craving, you can mix up coconut water with green tea. You can have spicy dal and millet roti and ginger pickle as your lunch, and black coffee and roasted chana for your evening snack. For a dinner, you can prep methi chicken or paneer, quinoa, and raita. So, day 3, you start with spinach ginger smoothie, a protein packed boost to your morning. Have cinnamon water and walnuts as your mid morning craving. Brown rice, dal, or veggies along with the coconut oil can be a fulfilling lunch for your day. Herbal tea along with a trail mix will be a great evening snack. Light veggie soup with whole grain toast can be a fulfilling dinner for the day. Whip up these simple recipes using your prepped ingredients to keep your metabolism roaring throughout the day. You can have a morning booster smoothie, blend of spinach, ginger, coconut oil, protein powder, and cooled green tea with ice for an invigorating start. Protein powder need not be a synthesized or an artificial one what you bought from your market. You can prepare your own protein powder, and you will find one of my video where you have all the preparation ingredients and instructions given how to prepare your homemade protein powder. Next, you can have metabolism trial mix. Roast almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds with turmeric, chili, and cinnamon for a healthy and satisfying snack. Next up, we have spicy fat burning dal. What is this fat burning dal all about? Pressure cook mixed dal with turmeric, green chili, ginger garlic paste, and a touch of coconut oil. Or you can also involve olive oil for a hearty, spicy meal. Along with this, you can prep your own golden milk, which is an excellent fat burner. And let's see how to make this golden milk. Warm almond milk with turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and coconut oil for a smoothing, metabolism boosting bedtime drink. Integrate these simple habits into your daily routine to maximize your metabolism boosting efforts and see the real results. Eat protein early. Consume protein within 2 hours of waking up to kickstart your metabolism. Have hydrate, drink water before every meal to aid digestion and fullness. Don't skip your meal. Regular meals keep your metabolism consistently active and prevent energy dips. Move after every meal. A 10-minute walk post meal helps with digestion and calorie burn. Prioritize your sleep. Adequate quality sleep is crucial. Poor sleeping pattern can significantly slow down your metabolism. And the most important, consistency is the key. Real lasting results typically show within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent efforts. Steer clear of these pitfalls to ensure your metabolism boosting journey is effective and sustainable. Remember, patience and balance are your best friends. Don't cut all your carbs. Your body needs healthy carbohydrates for energy. Don't overdo apple vinegar cider. Start slow with apple cider vinegar to avoid discomfort. Don't skip your meals, especially the breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal to fire up your metabolism. Include healthy fats. Coconut oil, olive oil, and nuts are essential for overall health. Also, ghee will be a superfood. Don't expect overnight results. Never have unrealistic expectations. Give your body time to adapt and see some changes. So, ready to transform your energy the delicious way? Well, which was your favorite meal prep idea from the list today? And which of these metabolic boosters will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know your thoughts, and I personally read each and every comment. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel Likita's Foodie Studio, and ring the bell for more healthy recipes and weight loss tips. Also, follow our YouTube shorts for 50 fantastic salad series and detox smoothie series to have a better weight management and healthy routine. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will meet you all very soon with one more exciting health and wellness content.